The third must-have for your trade journal is position sizing. How big should the lot size be on each trade you are taking? This one is easy since you decide this beforehand in your trading strategy. This allows you to know your maximum risk. How much are you willing to risk per trade? 1%, 2%, 5%? Position sizing is important because you want to make sure you are always ready for the next opportunity. You don't want to use up all of your margin in just a few trades and miss out on some awesome setups. It's also important because it will help you see whether you are comfortable trading large position sizes or whether you are more comfortable trading smaller lot sizes with a wider stop loss. This can help you a lot down the road to stay organized and have the data on all your trades with their lot sizes. So if you test several lot sizes, you can compare how each of them went and stick to the best one for your strategy.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.